Kia ora koutou. Hi everyone. Big thank you for entering your email on the last page, because that means you are interested in creating an online income, just like I was when I first started. You see, I've been the boss of the Tolaga Bay Inn for over 10 long years, and like many other small businesses, it's been tough, keeping afloat worldwide. Even before COVID, I was struggling to pay the bills. Mortgage, power, insurance, staff, the dreaded tax man, but just like Winston Churchill, I was stubborn and never give up. Kapai? That's when it hit me. I needed to diversify to survive, go online to thrive. But how? When I didn't know anything, about the online world. I didn't know any techie stuff. Well, you've got to follow the leader, follow the leader. Okay? Do what the successful online millionaires are doing. Listen, learn, do. Be consistent. Apply the teachings and the results will follow. Mark my words. Okay? So if you want to learn how to get started, then click the link below and see how my mentor guided me step by step to making my first few $1,000s online. Ka pai, ka pish. All the best. Ngā mihi nui. Bye for now.